the details in this case are really horrific. This morning, jury deliberations resumed at 9:30 sharp in the trial prosecuting Silver Creek resident Dustin Post. And we warn you that details in this story are tough to stomach, so viewer discretion is advised. The 27-year-old accused of rape and sex abuse against several children, he sat in wait as the jury works to come to a verdict today. Post and attorneys were called back to the courtroom around 10 this morning after the jury asked to review more witness and testimony and evidence and legal definitions, specifically the definition of inference, which was explained. Yesterday, they had victim testimony read back and rewatched part of Post's interview with police. Today, they did about the same, but from a different victim in charge. Specifically, they heard the testimony of a 10-year-old Silver Creek girl who was 5 when Post allegedly sexually abused her. Earlier in the trial, she testified that Post, a friend of the family, was babysitting her and her sister at his house in Silver Creek. While blindfolded and tied at the wrist, she confirmed that they played the, quote, sucker game that day, a term that has headlined the trial, with several victims recalling the occurrence. The jury also asked to rewatch part of Post's interview with New York State Police, where he admitted to investigators of coming up with the idea. Specifically, Post said, quote, the sucker game, kind of fun for the kid, kind of fun for me, end quote. Post went on to describe how he tied the young girl's hand behind her back using a lamp cord he cut up. He proceeded with the alleged act. Afterwards, he told investigators he apologized to the child, who was crying out because Post was rough while holding her face. He told troopers he did not mean or want to hurt her. Now, the jury rewatched this video interview with investigators and expressed grief, anger, and sorrow seem to paint their faces. Jury deliberations are continuing as we speak and are expected to continue into the afternoon. I will stay in the courtroom and provide updates when available here on air and online at WNYNewsNow.com. But for now, reporting live in Mayville, Justin Gould, WNY News Now.